Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday, the 15th of November. My name is Sarah Louise, and you're watching Axiory's news broadcast. Today, we begin with technical analysis. Price was able to break above daily pivot, and now it seems that further rise may be limited by resistance at R1. If price rebounds and gains enough momentum, sustained rise will focus on resistance R2. But if it falls below daily pivot, it will negate previous conclusions, and target will be at S1 support. Break below this level will then confirm objective at S2 support. Expect a bullish trend. Now let's move on to another currency pair with the dollar-yen analysis. Price will probably soon reach resistance R1, and break above this level will be indicating next target at R2. If it still has enough momentum, it will continue in rise and focus on R3. But if it rebounds from first resistance, it will retest former resistance R1, and further decline will retest daily pivot. Expect a bullish trend. Now the sterling dollar's outlook. Price rebounded earlier before reaching daily pivot, and if it holds above support S1, consolidation will be confirmed. Decline below this level will open way towards next target at S2 support, where bottom could be formed. But if it rebounds earlier and gains momentum, rise will probably be limited earlier below resistance R1. Expect a bearish trend today. Our last technical analysis is about the dollar-franc pair. It seems that price could be rebounding from S1 support, and in this case, price could reach soon daily pivot. Break above this level and sustained rise will be suggesting target at R1 resistance, and first and further rise will then confirm target at R2. But if the downward movement remains in favor, objective at S2 support will be still in favor. Further fall hasn't been excluded. Expect a bearish trend today. First news for today concerns about retail sales in the UK, which will be released at 9:30 a.m. GMT. This high-impact news has risen by 0.6% in the last month. Today, analysts expect decline by 0.1%. Next, at 1:30 p.m. GMT, Bureau of Labor Statistics will publish figures about core CPI in the US. It is expected that inflation will remain at 0.1% as it was in a previous report. We can expect a high impact on the dollar. At the same time, Department of Labor will report figures about unemployment claims in the US. It is expected decline from 355,000 to 372,000 people, and a high impact on the dollar. Last news for today will concern about Philly Manufacturing Index, which will be released at 3 p.m. GMT. Previous survey showed improving conditions when index rose to 5.7 points, and today is expected to fall to 1.1 points, but it still indicates improving conditions. First three strategies in Mirror Trader haven't changed since yesterday. At first place is still Teo for ALCN with 241.9 pips, followed by London Call rising 151.2 pips. Sphinx at third place is holding at 414.1 pips. Fourth, APS Split Trail Cells fell to 120.0 pips, and fifth position is now occupied by Strike Strategy, which has risen to 134.1 pips. In multi-trader platform, nothing has changed. Fibonacci and Fractals is still first with 9.78%. Second place belongs to Jumping FX, holding at 10.69%, and third to IGS Fund, which has risen 8.45%. Fourth and fifth place belongs to Taiji and Maple Forex Strategy. And on this date in 1859, the first modern revival of the Olympic Games took place in Athens. Thanks for watching Axiory's news broadcast. Have a great day trading, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye!